how to log in to SHEIN app. So if you want to log into your SHEIN account, then first of all, you need to launch or open your SHEIN application. If you don't have the application, then you can just simply go with your Play Store and then install it. Once done, you need to go and allow the notifications, and you need to go and enter the location, language, and currency. Once done, tap on Shop Now, and then go with Me, which will be on the bottom. If you want to collect all of the coupon codes, you can go and collect them all. And now it will take you to the login interface. Now you can enter your email or your phone number and then log into your account. Or you can also use your Google or your Facebook. So I'll just simply tap on Google. So if you already have an account, you can tap on Google and then select your Google account that you've used while creating your SHEIN account. Once done, once you tap on your Google, it will automatically log you into your account without entering any information. As you can see that I've been logged in. That's how you can log into your SHEIN application. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.